Mr. Hitchcock, what is your definition of happiness?
A clear horizon. Nothing to worry about on your plate. Only things that are creative and not destructive.
When I swing my leg over the saddle and feel the engine roar to life beneath me, all my worries and stress melt away. It's just me, the road, and the wind. Riding a motorcycle gives me a sense of liberation that I can't find anywhere else. Motorcycles grant us a unique connection with the world around us. As we ride, the sights, sounds, and smells envelop us, creating an immersive experience like no other. We become one with nature, experiencing the elements firsthand, unfiltered and untamed.
And the road is clear ahead, and now you're going to create something. I think that's as happy as I would ever want to be.